I previously made a video explaining how to remove these stubborn plastic wheel covers, and now I'd like to talk about how to properly install them. If you take a look at this cover right here, you can see that there's a big old crack in this area and a smaller one in this area. There are also other cracks due to all kinds of misuse, and as a matter of fact, I'll try to make a video about repairing these things. The first order of business, of course, is to prevent these cracks from forming to begin with. And the reason these things form is because when people install the covers, so of course, I mean, the initial step is pretty basic. You want to align this cutout with the valve stem on the wheel. And use your knees to hold the bottom of the cover in place, and then drive the top forward into the wheel. Now, the temptation is either to do it this way, just kind of hitting the outer edge of the cover, or maybe push this area right here. Well, both of these things are problematic because if you push here, just on the outer edge, what you can see is you're applying way too much force to this thin section, and it's going to break right where the stress riser is over the reinforcement. If you push lower toward the center of the wheel, you can see you're deforming this area too much, and these cracks will form. So what you want to do is focus on the location of the reinforcements and apply force exactly there. So you can see that you don't want to push here or here, but pretty much right there. So again, you locate the cover, find your reinforcement location right here, just gently tap it in.